In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a shared folder on Dropbox. If you've collaborated on a project or shared some files and find you no longer need access, it's both simple and efficient to remove yourself from that shared folder. Let's go through these steps one by one. First off, open your web browser and head over to dropbox.com. Sign in with your account credentials, which will bring you to your main Dropbox interface. Once you're signed in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first time or if it's been a while since you last used it. Next, you'll need to locate the folder you want to leave. Now, this could be a shared project folder where you've been contributing files, or maybe a team resource folder that you no longer need to be part of. The important thing is to make sure you identify the correct folder, as leaving it will sever your access to its contents. Now, once you have found the correct folder in your list of files, take your mouse and hover over its name. Don't click just yet. Hovering will reveal a few options, and what you're looking for are three small dots, known as an ellipsis. When you see them, go ahead and click on those three dots. This will open a drop-down menu with several options concerning what you can do with this folder. From this drop-down list, you'll want to select Manage Permissions. This option is crucial, as it lets you see and modify who currently has access to the folder, including yourself. Once you click on Manage Permissions, you'll be taken to a page where you see a list of people who can access the folder. Take a look and find your name in this list. It's a handy way to ensure you're looking at the correct account. Next to your name, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and you will then see the option to Remove My Access. Go ahead and select this option. This is the key action where you're essentially telling Dropbox, hey, I'm done with this folder. At this point, Dropbox might ask you whether you'd like to keep a copy of the folder in your own Dropbox account. Consider this carefully. If you want to keep working with the local files or need a reference, you might choose to keep a copy. If you're certain you don't need anything from it, you can opt not to save a local copy, effectively cleaning up your Dropbox account and preserving storage space. And there you have it, you've successfully left a shared folder. This process helps in decluttering your digital workspace and ensures you're only accessing the files you truly need. Remember, managing your resources efficiently is key to maintaining a streamlined workflow. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this guide has made navigating Dropbox a bit easier for you.